Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we're gonna see that how we can use Twitter to make money online. So this not require any thousand of followers, or it's not require any website or landing page, or you don't need to do any type of SEO. So it's really easy to do, and it's not gonna take more than an hour to do. So if you are interested to see this, then watch till the end, don't skip any part, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel to get new videos every day, and join our Facebook group Premium Chat to get daily updates and ask here what you need related to digital marketing. So at first you have to come over this site called F+. So this is a site where you'll see a lot of CPA offers listed by other CPA networks. So if you don't know what is CPA network and what is CPA marketing, you can go to my YouTube channel and check out the playlist of CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, and then you will able to know that what is CPA marketing and CPA network. Anyway, so lots of CPA networks are listed their offer here, so you can easily find out the best CPA offer for your work from here. So what you have to do, if you click on the trending, you will see then which is more popular and people are getting tons of leads from that niche. So you can, if you want, you can go with that niche and do it. If you don't want, then you can follow this one what I'm going to show you now. So comes down and filter out the results of those offers which are for all countries. So for doing this, you have to select the country which is for tier 3 or tier 2. So if you select tier 2 or tier 3 country here, then it will filter out those offers which are also for all country, and then you have to choose your vertical. Select your SOI as your vertical. So then filter those results, and you will see a lot of offers here. So from these offers, you have to find out those offers which are between $1 to $10. So you can just sending those from that filter, and now you will see different type of offers here. Let's open some offers in another tab. So okay, this offer is also good. So now if you open these offers, let's see, these offers are okay, these all offers are single opt-in offers, and will get paid as soon as our visitor or traffic just sign up on that account. So it's pretty easy. So now what you have to do, all you need is just register on that affiliate network, on that CPA network site. So it's really easy to sign up and register in CPA network and get approved. You will get lots of tutorials in the YouTube where you will find out that how to register on CPA networks. And if you don't understand, and if you don't know how to register on those accounts, you can simply comment below and ask for a step-by-step method to know that how you can apply for CPA network and get approved. So now let's see. You can also go with smart link offers. Just click on those smart link and leave other option like same, and now you will get smart link offers which are also converts very well. And now you don't need to worry about where your visitors come from, because these offers act according to your visitors location. You can see a lot of smart link offer here, so you can choose among them which one is good for you with a good payout rate, and then you're gonna promote that offer. So for this, here we are gonna need a special tool called Linktree. I think you may be heard of this tool. So this popular tool, now after you come over to this site, you have to sign up. It's absolutely free of cost, so you can sign up with your Instagram account. But here we are not gonna use our Instagram for promotion, we are going to use Twitter. So as soon as you sign up with your Instagram account, from here you will able to create a landing page with clickable options. So here you can simply type here your offer's name, or it doesn't matter, you promote here your CPA offer. You can also promote here, if you are in pod business, you can promote your suppose you are promoting gift cards, you can just type here get free gift cards, and URL section give your tracking link. And also if you are promoting free trial offers or free VPN trials or free travel offers, you can just list down your offers and give your tracking URL here, and then it will give you a link which you have to promote. See here I'm typing offers like free Netflix, free videos, so these are the keywords I have to put here to attract our visitors, and then we will use that link to promote. This is the landing page we have to promote. Now visit your Twitter account and in the search bar type your offer related keywords. Here my offer is related to make money, so I'm typing here need money, this keyword, and find out those relevant tweets where I can promote. But if you notice, there are already other marketers who promoting on the same technique. So what I have to do a simple trick here, just go to advanced settings, advanced search, and turn off the link option, and then again search. Now it will show only those posts which are not carrying any type of link. Now go to the latest post option and find out the best possible questions where you can answer with your promotional link. But remember, never do any spammy things, never spam your link in comment, because if you do same thing again and again, then Twitter gonna block you. So you can't do any spammy thing here, and always try to give solution to questions. So this way people gonna trust you and people gonna click on your link. So now if you notice here, you will see this guy is looking for a solution to lose weight without losing hair. So if you have a offer like this, weight loss offer like this, you can simply post here like this, that you have a awesome product on this, what gonna help this person, and then at last give your offer link, your landing page link. So now if you don't want to promote your landing page directly, you can also go to bit.ly and short your landing page link, and then you can promote this way. So you can literally do this 5 to 10 times a day and see your results. So this is pretty easy and very short technique to promote your offer without any type of website or any type of paid boosting. I hope you like this method, and make sure to watch more content and hit subscribe for more latest updates. Thank you.